Have you ever wondered what the biggest star in the universe looks like? We often think our sun is enormous, but compared to some stars, it's just a tiny dot. Today, let's explore one of the largest known stars, Stephenson 218. Stephenson 218 is a red supergiant star located thousands of light years away from Earth. It is estimated to be more than 2,000 times larger than our Sun. To understand its size, imagine replacing the Sun with Stephenson 218. It would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn. That means Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and even Saturn would be inside this star. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, would take around 8 to 9 hours to travel around its circumference. And yet, even this giant is only a tiny point in the vast universe. Our galaxy contains billions of stars, and the universe contains billions of galaxies. Space constantly reminds us how small we are. Would you like to explore more giant stars and cosmic mysteries?